I wanted to build a machine learning model with no experience today, here are the first 4 steps I would follow. First, I'd open my browser and type Colab.new. I'd sign in with my Google account and watch a blank notebook open. Next, I would code the simplest line of Python that exists. To run my code, I'd click the play button or press Shift plus Enter. Google Colab actually runs Python in the cloud so that you don't have to install anything. The next thing I'd have to do is learn the core idea of machine learning. If I did my best to describe machine learning to you in a couple sentences, I would call it a process where I first feed the model large amounts of data and then it analyzes that data to find patterns and relationships. Then it uses what it has learned to generate accurate outputs and predictions for us to use. To actually learn this properly, I'd commit to one full course. A free Coursera option to look up is called Machine Learning Specialization from Stanford University. If I prefer videos, I'd follow the StatQuest machine learning playlist because Josh Starmer has taught every concept that you could possibly want to learn about. Now, back in Google Colab, I would use my new knowledge to write a very simple machine learning model that recognizes quote-unquote big and small numbers. I'd start by importing scikit-learn from my logistic regression toolbox and NumPy to work with numbers. Next, we're writing a very small training dataset called X that houses the inputs, which are 4 numbers. Then the testing dataset called Y labels those inputs, 0 for small and 1 for big. Next, we fit a logistic regression model using the X and Y datasets and test it with actual numbers. And now, congratulations, you've officially built your first machine learning model. From here, it's your job to learn, grow, and keep coding until you can build some pretty cool stuff.